Hi, thanks for watching the Thundering Legion video, and I'm your host, Christine Ross. Did you know that there's a doctor shortage in the United States? And that's why the Affordable Care Act can never be implemented. In fact, the doctor shortage is getting worse every day as doctors retire and are not being replaced. On this video series, we're going to be talking about how to save your own life and what you can do about it. My name is Christine Ross, and I am a home health aide working and living in Virginia Beach. I'm not a medical doctor. I'm not licensed to diagnose or prescribe. This video series is for educational purposes only, and I hope it is of help to you. Several weeks ago when I started this video series, I asked a POPs quiz, and the question I asked was, when taken in high enough doses, what single nutrient is a natural painkiller, can help detoxify drug addiction, is a universal detoxifier including radiation, and is the main component of a famous heart protocol? Give up? It's vitamin C. You can learn more about vitamin C by going to the website dryourself.com, or you can listen to my podcast at thethunderinglegion.org. I have an interview with Dr. Saul, and we talk about how vitamin C can help you. When I had a car accident, I tried using medical drugs prescribed by my doctor. They didn't work. I read a study on Dr. Saul's website about using vitamin C as a natural painkiller, and that worked. In addition, there was a study done in 1977 by Irwin Stone on vitamin C. It was used to help drug addicts to withdraw from drugs with no symptoms or side effects. On the Doctor Yourself website, the late Dr. Fred Klenner there's a paper by the late Dr. Fred Klenner, and he describes how he saved the life of a dying patient who was bitten by an unknown insect or snake. The patient was turning blue in front of him, and there was no time for the doctor to try and figure out what antidote to use. He injected the patient with a large dose of vitamin C as a last resort, and the patient survived. With regard to heart disease, it is well established in the medical literature that radiation exposure can cause cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Vitamin C has been shown to reduce or prevent the effects of radiation exposure. Linus Pauling received the Nobel Prize for his scientific work. Based on Canadian heart research, Dr. Pauling created a therapy for heart disease based on vitamin C. The way that you do this, take this therapy is that you take 2 grams of vitamin C following a meal with 2 grams of lysine per day and at least 500 milligrams of proline. When taken with the amino acids lysine and proline, vitamin C prevents atherosclerosis and helps the venous system to repair itself. If you go to paulingtherapy.com, you can read testimonials by people who have reversed heart disease by following the Pauling protocol of Dr. Linus Pauling. If you decide to take vitamin C, please keep in mind several things. When taken in high doses, vitamin C can have a laxative effect. To avoid this effect, you should take vitamin C after eating a meal. You should also buffer vitamin C because it is an acid and it can damage your digestive tract because it can cause acid burns. Therefore, you should buffer vitamin C with magnesium, which will cause it to become magnesium ascorbate or sodium ascorbate. Bioflavonoids help you absorb vitamin C. You can find bioflavonoids in bell peppers or raw citrus fruits, rose hips, hawthorn berry, and cayenne pepper. On his website, dryourself.com, Dr. Saul suggests that you take bioflavonoids in fruit with vitamin C. In addition, eating sugar interferes with the absorption of vitamin C. That's another reason that you should avoid eating sugar. Vitamin C can help your body detoxify. Unfortunately, it can also leach out other minerals if you don't take the minerals along with the vitamin C. Most Americans are deficient in vitamin C, magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids, and choline. If you do decide that you want to take vitamin C, Be sure and take a multivitamin along with it. Herbs and vitamins can really change your life. Next week we'll talk about green stevia leaf and how it can help your heart. If you'd like me to keep you updated about the new videos, go to my website, thethunderinglegion.org, and sign up for my newsletter at the left side of the page. The best health advice I've ever had was from a health food store owner. He said that when you don't know what to do about your health, pray to God and ask Him to show you what to do. Billy Graham said that even though the United States is as wicked as Sodom and Gomorrah, if we prayed for our country, God can turn it around. After World War II, patriotic Austrians drove the communists out of their country by praying the rosary every day for Austria. That's why you should pray the rosary every day for your salvation and that of your country. Until next week, keep praying the rosary. Bye-bye now.